Master your money. 10 Golden Rules. Welcome to Wealth Wiz. We want to give you the information and resources you need to manage your money and create a bright future on this channel. We have you covered whether you want to save, invest, or manage your debt. So be sure to click the subscribe button and let's get started if you're prepared to join us on this financial transformational adventure. If you're ready to take control of your finances and pave the way for a brighter financial future, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 10 golden rules to help you manage your money like a pro. Let's get into it. Number 1. Observe your spending patterns. Understanding where your money goes is the first step towards mastering it. Take a closer look at your spending patterns and identify any areas where you might be overspending or wasting money. This could include things like eating out too often, impulse purchases, or unnecessary subscriptions. By observing your spending patterns, you can start to make more conscious decisions about how you use your money. Maybe you realize that you're spending way too much on takeout coffee every day and decide to invest in a reusable mug instead. Or perhaps you notice that you're constantly buying clothes that end up sitting unworn in your closet, prompting you to reassess your shopping habits. Number 2. Dine at home. Dining out can be a tempting and convenient option, but it can also take a toll on your wallet. One way to master your money is by choosing to dine at home more often. Not only will this save you money, but it also gives you the opportunity to cook delicious meals and experiment with different recipes. Cooking at home allows you to have control over the ingredients you use, ensuring that your meals are not only budget-friendly but also healthy. Plus, is a great way to spend quality time with loved ones or even engage in some therapeutic solo cooking. Number 3. Set a ceiling on your unbudgeted spending. Setting a ceiling on your unbudgeted spending is an essential rule for mastering your money. It's all too easy to get carried away with impulse purchases or succumb to the temptation of that shiny new gadget. But by establishing limits, you can regain control over your finances and make more thoughtful decisions about how you spend your hard-earned cash. One effective way to set a ceiling on unbudgeted spending is to create a separate category in your budget specifically for discretionary expenses. This can include things like eating out, entertainment, and shopping. Determine how much you are comfortable allocating to this category each month and stick to it religiously. Number 4. Put an end to using credit cards. Using credit cards can be a convenient way to make purchases, but it can also lead to financial trouble if not used wisely. If you find yourself constantly relying on credit cards, it's time to put an end to this habit. Take a close look at your spending habits and identify why you are using credit cards so frequently. Are you overspending or simply lacking budget? Understanding the root cause will help you address the issue effectively. Number 5. Set up a budget. Setting up a budget is essential if you want to master your money and take control of your finances. It may sound tedious, but trust me, it's worth the effort. By creating a budget, you'll have a clear picture of where your money is going and be able to make informed decisions about how to spend it. Start by tracking all of your expenses for at least a month. This will help you identify any unnecessary or excessive spending habits that need to be addressed. Once you have an accurate record of your expenses, categorize them into different groups such as groceries, bills, entertainment, etc. Number 6. Save money for major purchases. When it comes to major purchases, saving money is crucial. Whether you're eyeing a new car or dreaming a luxurious vacation, Having the funds ready can make all the difference. Set a specific goal for your purchase. Determine how much money you'll need and the time frame in which you'd like to achieve it. Having this clarity will help keep you focused and motivated. Number 7. Read financial-related books. Reading financial-related books is a great way to gain knowledge and improve your understanding of money management. These books provide valuable insights and advice from experts in the field, helping you make informed decisions about your finances. When choosing financial books to read, look for those that cover topics such as budgeting, investing, saving, and debt management. There are plenty of options available, ranging from beginner-level guides to more advanced strategies. Number 8. Reduce your bill each month. One of the key strategies to master your money is to find ways to reduce your monthly bills. By cutting down on unnecessary expenses, you can free up more cash for savings or other important financial goals. Here are a few tips on how to do just that. Take a close look at all your recurring bills and evaluate if there are any services or subscriptions that you no longer use or need. Canceling this will not only save you money, but also declutter your life. Number 9. Continue to spend quickly. When it comes to managing your money, the idea of spending quickly might seem counterintuitive. After all, we're often advised to slow down and think before making purchases. However, there are certain situations where a quick decision can actually save you money. One example is taking advantage of limited time offers or sales. If you come across a great deal on something you genuinely need or have been eyeing for a while, don't hesitate to make the purchase. Waiting too long could result in missing out on significant savings. Number 10. Clear your debt. Being in debt can be a heavy burden that weighs you down and limits your financial freedom. It is essential to take proactive steps towards clearing your debt and regaining control of your finances. Here are some strategies to help you get started. Prioritize your debts based on interest rates and outstanding balances. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first, such as credit cards or personal loans, while making minimum payments on lower-interest obligations. Mastering your money is a journey that requires discipline, awareness, and commitment. By following these 10 golden rules, you can take control of your finances and pave the way for a secure financial future. The path to financial mastery may have its ups and downs, but every step you take brings you closer to a life of financial freedom, personal fulfillment, and the ability to create meaningful experiences for yourself and those around you. By adhering to these golden rules, you're not only securing your financial future, but also cultivating a mindset of abundance, responsibility, and purpose. Your journey is a testament to your commitment to self-improvement, and the rewards that await you are a reflection of your dedication to building a life of significance. Thank you for watching today's video. We sincerely hope that it was enlightening and helpful for your financial journey. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you liked it and want to see more like it.